Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Just carrying out servicing on an ideal Concord Cxs. So I'm going to just show you how to get into high and low fire. Okay, so we have our manometer connected to our manifold test point here. There is another point you could use, and it's this one up here. So here we are, we have it connected down here, and an 8mm spanner is ideal for unscrewing the test point. Ensure that you leave the test point somewhere safe. So here we go. So I have my unit marked where I found it. I'm going to turn it up to make a call for heat. So our unit is on now, and we should start getting some readings on our analyzer. So we're going to adjust high fire now. Our burner pressure or manifold pressure should be 5 on low fire and 10.2 millibar on high fire. So it started up in low fire, now it's in high fire. And for high fire, that is the outer. So we're going to go clockwise to increase. So we want it at 10.2 millibar. So there we have it. Our manifold pressure is up. We want it at 10.2 millibar. Gonna increase it slightly more. Have to be gentle with this. Okay, I'm happy with that reading there. I'm gonna save that. Now time to get it into low fire. I've removed the high-low solenoid, and while adjusting my inner, I'm going to hold my outer at the same time. So we want 5 millibar on our low. So I'm going anti-clockwise to decrease. Pretty close. Let's lock that. There's our low fire, but it's going to ramp up into high fire soon. And we're hoping that our high fire is at about 10.2 millibar. Here we go. It's pretty good. That's pretty good. We're happy with that. So I'm going to take a reading afterwards because you can see the CO is quite high. I'm going to clean my burner down. Give my probes a clean up as well, and hopefully get better readings. All right, until next time, bye bye bye.